Hey, so Lick Friday, week 445. Now, this one is quite tricky around the edges, basically, put it that way. So it may require a little bit more in a way of technique involved to some of you, but for those that don't, great, blast through it, have fun, it's a good lick to use. For those that want the technique or need that technique to learn this one, it's all in the bends, the double stops, and getting that vibrato underneath two strings. That kind of takes a bit of time to get used to, and the faster kind of more fluent runs as well. So the blues scale aspects of it is really nice to use in shape 5. That is one that I very rarely use but do sometimes, and when I do it's actually quite flavoursome. I quite like it. So one that you may take on board yourself. But if you do like this, please do consider liking, sharing, subscribing, hitting that bell button for all the future notifications, and visiting all the socials. Tagging this video on your socials as well, maybe even making a little video of this to tag on your socials. So that is it basically. Let's give you that lick without rambling on too much. Back in a mo. There it is. So you have shape 1 start off with a nice double stop bend, and because you're on that high register, some people find it difficult to get their fingers within the frets, but it's just practice at the end of the day. So repetition and practice builds on that technique. You will be able to do it. Don't think that you can't, because you will be able to do it, but just take your time with it if you do find it difficult. So yeah, there's not much more to say about that apart from that double stop is difficult. Getting vibrato on that double stop as well on the 17th fret is also quite tricky. The more fluent runs, as I said, need a little bit of work, but that is all I need to say about it really. So now you've seen it, hopefully you like it. If you haven't done so already, please do subscribe. And yeah, I'll leave you the breakdown coming up straight away. So your bend for the first 2 strikes on that first bar is 19th fret on the G string and your 20th fret with your little finger on the 2nd string on the B. But you're only bending the 3rd string, so basically like that. Now what I'm trying to do with this one is you kind of gradually towards the end just scoop down the bend itself, or let down that bend, so there's not so much of a gap between, or a definite sort of difference between the bend on the first note that you play to that double stop on the 17th fret coming up now, which goes like this. So you're trying to get the 17th fret on the 2nd string and the 3rd string with vibrato. Now that's not so easy to do, because you've got to really push that finger down whilst also trying to move the strings just a little bit, just to give it a little bit of flavour, salt and pepper, as it goes through. So that lasts for a whole bar, so 3 beats in this case, because we're in 3/4 in A minor as well. Then we've got a run. Basically that. Oh my god, there's a lot of gain on that, isn't there? I'll sort that out in a sec, but it sounds like that. So that's running down the 19 to the 17 on the D string, the 4th string, going through the blues scale on the A string, which is 19, 18, 17, going down to that 15th fret on the same string. So and then on the E string, the thick string, you have 17, 15, and then you're back to the 17th fret with a bit of vibrato if you can add that in, and then back to the 15 for 2 beats before you give it a rest. Then you're into your blues scale in the 5th position. So this is one that I don't know if you may use it already, but one that I'd never really normally use, but when I do I really like it because it adds that sort of flavour around these top 2 strings. So we've got a full tone bend on the 17th fret. So you should reach the pitch of that D note just there. But you've got full tone bends, 3rd string, then a triplet pattern, basically through the blues scale to the 1st string, which is that 15th fret, back through the blues scale. So you've got 15, 16, 17 on the 2nd string, 15 on the 1st, 17, 16, 15 on the 2nd string. So, and then to finish that off, 17, 14. So that's your 3 notes of triplets. So that's 17 on the 3rd string and 14 on the 3rd string as well. So you end up with, and then there's a semitone bend from the 16th fret. So this is kind of bringing in a natural minor element to it. And then you pull off that 16 to the 14. So 3rd string, 16 semitone bend. So you want to reach the pitch of the 17th fret, which is a C. So you can either let it down without picking it, or pick that 16 again and then pull it off to the 14. But it's a really nice flavoursome lick. So just those 2 bars will be really nice. And then you're kind of mimicking that bend an octave higher. So you're going from your B to your C. Okay, like that, same thing, just an octave higher. So that's 19, bend up a semitone, let it down or pick it on the down position, and then pull off to the 17, and then you've got single 20th fret on the 2nd string, and then a double stop, sort of that Iron Maiden Run to the Hills job again, to finish with. And that starts off with a power lick and finishes with a power lick. So it's kind of bookended by double stop bends, which is actually really nice to do. So that's your lick. Shall I play it slow? Alrighty then, here we go. At least I'll try to. It may sound a bit dodged, but we'll find out. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, and that was close. I managed to get through it almost unscathed, but that's your job to practice it now. There you go. I'll leave you back with me. Okay, there you are. So the tab is free on my website if you haven't already downloaded that, and hopefully you enjoy the lick. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Visit the shop for t-shirts and mugs as well. We Lick Friday mug. Already had me a cup of tea in that this morning, and yeah, that's about it. There'll be some more stuff coming on that shop site soon. It's easy for me to say, and I'll leave you with that for this week, and that is all there is to say. See you later, everyone. Bye bye.